Those silent, eight-legged creatures weaving webs in the corners, if you thought they were just creepy, think again. Because spiders hide some mind-blowing secrets that most people have never heard. Some don't even spin webs. Some live underwater. Some spin silk stronger than steel. And others don't survive their own love life. Curious? Then let's dive into the strange and fascinating world of spiders, one unbelievable fact at a time. 1. Spiders are not actually insects. At first glance, it's easy to mistake them for insects, but spiders belong to a completely different class called arachnids. Unlike insects, which have 6 legs and often antennae, spiders have 8 legs and no antennae. Their bodies are divided into 2 main parts, the cephalothorax, head plus thorax, and the abdomen. This puts them in the same group as scorpions, mites, and ticks. So scientifically, it's incorrect to categorize a spider the same way you would a fly or an ant. 2. Spider silk can be stronger than steel. Spider silk isn't just light, it's also incredibly strong. Studies show that webs produced by some species can be up to 5 times stronger than steel of the same thickness. For example, the Darwin's bark spider creates one of the toughest biological materials known to science. Spider silk can stretch up to 5 times its own length before breaking. Because of this, it's being studied for future use in things like body armor or surgical sutures. 3. Not all spiders spin webs. While many spiders spin webs to catch prey, not all of them do. Some are active hunters that chase or ambush their targets. For example, wolf spiders stalk and pounce on their prey like miniature land predators. Others, like jumping spiders, rely on their excellent eyesight to sneak up on their victims and leap to attack. These behaviors show how diverse and strategic spider hunting methods can be. 4. Some spiders don't steal webs. They take them over. There are spider species that don't just invade other webs. They completely take them over. Sometimes they even kill and eat the original owner. For instance, kleptoparasitic spiders sneak into other webs and steal the prey trapped there. Others simply claim the web as their own, forcing the previous occupant out, or worse. Even among spiders, the battle for territory and resources can get ruthless. 5. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but many don't see well. Most spiders have between 6 and 8 eyes, but that doesn't mean they see clearly. Many species can only detect light and motion. However, there are exceptions. Jumping spiders have excellent vision. They can see shapes, colors, and even depth, which they use to hunt and navigate. Still, most spiders rely more on touch and vibration than sight. A tiny movement in their web is often all they need to find their prey. 6. There are over 50,000 species of spiders worldwide. More than 50,000 spider species have been identified so far, and new ones are discovered every year. Some are so small they're nearly invisible to the naked eye. Others are bright and colorful, like the peacock spider, which is famous for its dazzling mating dance. With so many species, spiders are more than just creepy. They're a marvel of biodiversity. 7. Some spiders can live underwater. It may sound unbelievable, but some spiders can live beneath the surface of the water. The diving bell spider, Argyroneta aquatica, found in Europe, builds an underwater web filled with air. It traps oxygen in the web, turning it into a kind of natural diving bell. Inside, it can rest, hunt, and even mate. It's the only known spider to live nearly its whole life underwater, proof that spiders are adaptation masters. 8. Love or death. A spider's mating ritual can be one of nature's most dramatic events. In some species, the female eats the male after mating. This is known as sexual cannibalism, and the black widow is one of the most famous examples. But males have their own survival strategies. Some offer gifts like wrapped prey to distract the female. Others try to escape immediately after mating. Even in the world of spiders, love can be dangerous. And remember, these small creatures are among nature's quietest, yet most brilliant engineers. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.